Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Quick Notes right away so you can remove what you don't want. First, make sure Quick Notes is enabled in Control Center, otherwise enable it in Settings. Then swipe from the bottom right corner or tap the Control Center icon to summon Quick Notes. Once it's visible, scan the list for the note you want to delete. You're beginning the action now, not prepping indefinitely. If the note has attachments, make sure you're ready to handle those separately before deletion. Now focus on removing or cleaning notes. To delete a note, swipe left on it and tap Delete, then Confirm. That permanently removes it from Quick Notes. If you only need to clear content, open the note and select text or use the Apple Pencil to erase specific parts, then save. This preserves the note container. For multiple notes, tap Edit, choose each note, and delete them in one action to speed up cleanup. Make sure to check Recently Deleted if you change your mind. Finish by emptying Recently Deleted in the Notes app to permanently remove Quick Notes and free storage. Open Notes, go to Folders, then Recently Deleted and delete all. Once done, verify Quick Notes no longer shows the content. If deleted items still appear, restart the Notes app or reboot the iPad to clear caching. Make sure iCloud sync settings aren't restoring notes from another device. If they are, disable sync temporarily before deleting. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.